Today went to meet one of our schoolmates who has come from Chennai to Calcutta. 8 of us friends met here today. We started our walk from Park Street metro station all the way to Sada Street. Met him and then walked on Park Street in the evening.
We are walking on the road Chaurangi, going to meet Rajshekhar at Sadar Street. This is Indian Museum gate. This is Ramalingam in front, and this is our G.V. Narayanan and I. Ramachandran, Vijay Kumar and Dakkan walking in the front. This is Indian Museum main gate. Ticket வாங்குறதுக்கா? இல்ல. பிஸ்கட்லாம் கொடு. பிஸ்கட்லாம் கொடுங்க. வழியில போயிருந்தேன். Walking on Sadar Street to meet Rajshekhar.
All of us at Fairlawn Hotel where Rajshekhar was staying. A group photo.
On Park Street. Towards St. Xavier's College. This used to be the Blue Fox restaurant. Now it's Starbucks. Walking on Park Street.
அப்படியே ஒரு ஃபுல்லா ஒரு 180 டிகிரிஸ் பண்ணிட்டு பின்னாடி அந்த லைட் எல்லாம் இருக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல தான் இருக்கு. ஒண்ணே திரும்ப ஸ்பீடா ஓகே. பேரலல் லைன் ঠিক আছে.
The old Waldorf restaurant. It's not there anymore. Flurries on that side.
Where that?
The old Waldorf. This is the Park Street post office.
இங்க நல்லா இருக்கு போடுங்க எல்லாரும் நிக்கறாங்க. இன்னொரு இடத்துல போலாமா? சரி ரைட். கரெக்ட்டா மார்க்கெட். ஏய் நீ அடிக்கிறத அடிச்சிட்டு வா போ. எல்லாம் சேர்ந்து அடிக்கலாம். சேர்ந்து அடிக்கலாம்டா. அடுத்து சேர்ந்து அடிக்கலாம். ஒண்ணு தண்ணி விட்டோம்னா போ. नंबर से मिलाते हैं
This used to be the Waldorf restaurant. It has become Marco Polo now. This is Kamak Street crossing, and next to that is Allen Gardens. Those of you who studied in St. Xavier's, Calcutta would know Allen Gardens. Allen Garden, and next to that will be St. Xavier's College. Those of us who studied in St. Xavier's will know this place very well. Hindustan Paper Corporation office used to be here. The signboard is still there. Next is Rafi Ahmad Kidwai Road. All of us walking. Rajshekhar, Srinivasan, Dakkan, Vijay Kumar, K.S. Vishwanathan, G.V. Narayanan, Ramalingam, all of us National High School 68 batch. This is the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education office. Many of you may remember coming here. The West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. This is Rafi Ahmad Kidwai Road. This is Rafi Ahmad Kidwai Road crossing and the junction. The old Government of India building, and next to that is St. Xavier's College. This is St. Xavier's College. Lot of trees. The petrol pump opposite St. Xavier's College. The petrol pump is still there. Park Street Police Station. And this is St. Xavier's College.
Day and night. Night correct.
Walking back from St. Xavier's College. For 3 years we have walked on this street. Rather 4 years. 1 year pre-university and 3 years degree. But many of the batches, they did only PU and then switched off to various streams. I did 4 years here. This was the auditorium gate. The Red Geological Survey building, it was red in 1968, it is red even now. This is Allen Gardens. Allen Garden, it's become Allen Park now. This is Kamak Street crossing. Kamak Street.
சாப்பிடும்போது இந்த புக்கா டேஸ்ட் சரியாவே இல்லை. என்னடா ஆச்சுங்கன்னா அவனுக்கு குடிச்சிட்டு வந்துருக்கான். குடிக்காம வந்தாதான் வந்து அந்த புக்காவோட டேஸ்ட்
Decided to eat puchka.
ராஜாராட் சைட்லலாம் இட் இஸ் 10 ரூபாய்க்கு 6 கடைக்கு கஷ்டமா அப்போ नमक जरा घटाओ कैसे घटेगा इमली का पानी दे दो
आलू जाल लग में ठीक है आलू दे दिया नहीं
The hand immersed in that pot gives a special taste to the puchka.
Followed by a pan. This was the earlier Waldorf. Now we are walking on this side of the footpath.
இப்போ கிடைக்கிறது எங்கேயோ இங்கெல்லாம் கிடைக்கிறது
பஸ்ஸில் எல்லாம் உசுறு போயிட்டு கிடைக்காது நிறைய கிடைக்காது இந்த திருப்பூர் இதெல்லாம் போல கிடைக்கும்
நமக்கு நம்மளோட டயத்தில் வந்து அந்த வெளியில்
The roll shop.
இங்கே முன்னே ரோல்லாம் சாப்பிடுவோம் கீழே பார்த்து
Junction of Free School Street and Park Street. And you can see the flurry is in front. And on the left is the road leading to Loreto College, Loreto House College. And this is Peter Cat Restaurant and bar, of course. This is Middleton Row and the end is Loreto House. And this is the famous flurries. This is HMB.
भैया नहीं चाहिए.
The flurry is on Park Street. And that side is all the bars. This is the Silver Grill restaurant and bar. You get a good Chinese food here. And opposite is the barbecue restaurant and bar. In front of Flurries, Karnani Mansions. That is the Oasis restaurant. And next that is the Moulin Rouge. But you can see the windmill of the Moulin Rouge. This is the Magnolia restaurant. That's the Quality Restaurant and Park Hotel. That's the Park Hotel. This is the Harmony House where we used to buy our LP records. Many of you may remember. That's Park Hotel. Quality restaurant and bar. And the famous tailors, Barkat Ali. And this corner is where we used to have this Oriental Gas Company. Many of us used to get piped gas, which was later changed to the Greater Calcutta Gas Supply Corporation. We used to come here for making payment of our gas bills. It's closed now. Park Hotel. And this is Russell Street crossing and the famous India's Hobby Center. And that is Trinkas, the famous Trinkas. Russell Street. This used to be the HMT office, Hindustan Machine Tools, where we used to come to get the Pilot black dial watch. It's not there anymore, but this used to be the office of HMT. Now we are approaching the Chaurangi Road crossing. This 1x1 Park Street earlier was the Peeping Restaurant. This used to be the Peeping Restaurant, famous Chinese restaurant. The Godrej showroom. This is the famous Asiatic Society building. The Asiatic Society. Junction of Park Street and Chaurangi Road. Now we are approaching Chaurangi Road. Junction of Park Street and Chaurangi, and this is where we parked. The Asiatic Society building. And this is where we split our group going back. We had a nice evening today. All batchmates of 1968 NHS, about 8 of us.